Good morning, I'm Mike Neundorfer with Advanced RV, and I'm here in our new facility. We are deep into a process to make this our new home. We've already moved the cabinet shop here, we cleaned the floors, put almost 500 gallons of paint on 1/4 of the ceiling in the whole place. And here we're in the offices. When we bought the building, down below these girders was all offices with suspended ceilings with no exterior light. So we couldn't afford to do the whole project like we wanted to, but we really didn't want to move into a place with no light for our folks. So what we're doing now is we're taking off what's a mezzanine here and opening up the ceiling. We're going to put sound proofing on the ceiling and some extra insulation for to help with the environment. And then we're going to make this an interesting high-ceilinged office. We're going to either put skylights or windows around the periphery or both. And we're having a really good time planning it. Unfortunately, we're going to have to wait a little bit before we can afford the fourth phase of this project, which is to finish off the office area. And the next day or two, they're going to be saw cutting the concrete deck up above and pulling out the joist and making this a dramatic high-ceilinged office area. This room will be our temporary office. We'll probably have 10 or 12 people in this room with desks and not much partition, but we work fairly closely and it should work fine. So there's plenty of light in here, which is nice. There's a suspended ceiling, which I don't like, but it's going to be fine for us until we can afford to do the next phase of office renovation, and we're all looking forward to getting down here and all being in one place. The next time you see it, there'll be desks and people in here. So thanks for joining us. This is where we're at. I thought you might be interested to see some progress. Thank you.